we're talking about long term. So if you had to pick your, let's say, test match players, sectors or themes, you could say that, which, that may not sprint right now, but will steadily sort of compound over the next 5 years, what could that be?
Kshitij, I'll probably pick a couple of sectors and a couple of themes.
Sure.
In India, I would say there are a couple of themes which are going to run for the long term because of our demography, because of the level of income levels that our population is seeing, how it's going to grow, etc. Surrounding that, I would say definitely consumption, healthcare, and manufacturing would be the three themes. Usually, whenever the per capita income has crossed $3,000 in the global context, we have seen a J-shaped consumption trends coming in. And we are close to that level. In the next couple of years, we should see that. And also, government has been rightly focusing on reviving consumption. So that could be one multi-year theme. To cater to that kind of a demand, obviously, manufacturing comes. Almost all segments of our market are at the cusp of seeing a new round of capital expenditure to increase capacities. So manufacturing would be the other theme. The third theme would be healthcare. I think India is clearly underinvested in healthcare. And as our per capita income levels grow, as our lifestyle requires more healthcare support, as our population becomes older, you will keep seeing more healthcare opportunities coming in. Right. So these are the three themes. And in terms of sectors, I would say, given that the valuations are quite reasonable compared to our recent history, banking and financial services would be one pocket where I would probably bet for a medium to long term. There may not be great support in terms of credit growth or any other parameter in the immediate term. But I think if you are a patient investor, that could be one sector. And along with that, I would choose cement sector. This is a sector which has seen a huge consolidation in terms of capacities being dominated by top 4 or 5 players.
Right.
And in the last 10 years, we have hardly seen price growth in terms of the cement price growth. But despite that, we have seen a good amount of improvement in terms of the operating profit margins, largely led by cost cutting and the operating leverage. I think these trends will get even more strengthened as we look at the near-term capacity addition, which is again going to be dominated by some of these players. So that would be another theme that I would bet on at this point of time.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.